You see a story like that, it's just hard to complain that it's cold here when everyone else has ice and snow and this and that. But yeah, I mean, look at these numbers this morning. 35 in Wauchula. I got Lakeland at 36. It's right around the freezing mark. So it's 33 in Brooksville. It is 32 in Crystal River and 30 in Ocala, 37 in Tampa. Right along the coast, of course, some lower 40s. But whew, listen, folks, this is just one day. I mean, we got multiple days this week and then another big cold front coming in this weekend. It's going to bring it right back down. So we got a cold stretch. We're just going to have to deal with it. I know. 42 degrees colder in Ocala this morning than it was yesterday. Think about that for a second. 42 degrees colder. Brooksville's 39 degrees colder. Lakeland, 37 degrees colder. You kind of get the point at what that front did. And it's a due north wind, which works for and against us. For in the fact that it clears us out, and we're going to have beautiful sunshine for today. Yesterday, when we had that northwest wind, it stayed cloudy all day long because of all those cold air clouds sitting out into the Gulf. But now with the north wind, it just pushes them out with this beautiful sunshine. On the flip side of the coin, it also drains in incredibly cold air at the same time. Now, when you factor in the wind that we have this morning with the temperatures, you see wind chills in the teens for the Panhandle. I mean, imagine this. You're waking up in Pensacola, in Florida, and it feels like 14 degrees this morning, and it feels like 16 in Tallahassee. Now, it is only Tuesday morning, but I'm going to tell you, on Sunday morning, those wind chills in the teens may be all the way down here, okay? Giving you a heads up right now about Sunday morning. So all these cold air clouds, these are the ones that we had yesterday because we had a northwest wind. Now you get a north wind, you just push them out. So we have beautiful sunshine for today, but it's not going to make a difference because we're going to struggle just to get these temperatures back up in the mid to upper 50s for today. And then tonight, right back down again to the 20s, 30s, and 40s, mainly 30s though. And even around Bartow and Wauchula and Lakeland tonight, you're under a freeze warning into tomorrow morning because of that. And then tomorrow, you see a couple of spots near 60 degrees kind of try to do their thing, but it's still going to be pretty chilly over the next several days. Now, this weekend, a coastal low is going to form, okay? And you're going to see 1,000 maps between now and Friday as to what it's going to do. But the stronger this low is, the more cold air it pulls in for us. That's it, okay? But in terms of precipitation, you're going to see a lot of snow potentially in the Carolinas going all the way back up to New England, depending upon where this coastal low is. This is the key to our temperatures this weekend, and it hasn't developed, and it's only Tuesday, so we're going to have to keep fine-tuning. But understand, if you're going to the parade this weekend, it may be in the 40s during the parade, and then quickly dropping into the 30s at night. Just letting you know. Quite chilly today, mid to upper 50s for highs. Overnight tonight, 36. You saw the freezing temperatures inland and north, so freeze warnings out. Polk County, interior Hillsborough, everybody north of that. Sunshine, unseasonably cooling in tomorrow with your high temperature only around 60 degrees. Now, we may make it up to the mid-60s by Friday, which is still technically about 8 degrees below normal, but then another front comes in on Saturday morning. Quick shower, 54, dropping all day, then 33 on Sunday morning when you wake up.
All right.